Tired of relying on credit cards for your online shopping sprees? We have got you covered today. We're unlocking the secrets to using PayPal without a credit card. First things first, you'll need a PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, head over to PayPal's website and sign up. It's quick and easy. Now, let's add your bank account. Log into your PayPal account and find the wallet section. It's usually located at the top of the page. Click on Link a Bank Account. PayPal will ask for your bank's routing number and account number. You can find this information on your checks or by contacting your bank. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits to your bank account to confirm it's yours. This might take a day or two. Once you see those deposits, log back into PayPal and confirm the amounts. Great! Your bank account is now linked. Now, you can make payments directly from your bank account or PayPal balance. When you're ready to make a purchase, select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. PayPal will give you the option to pay with your PayPal balance or your linked bank account. Select your preferred method. If you don't have enough funds in your PayPal balance, it will automatically draw the money from your linked bank account. That's it. You've successfully made a payment with PayPal without using a credit card. Easy peasy. Now you can shop online with peace of mind, knowing you're not racking up credit card debt. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.